Okay, we got our head here. We got everything done here. We let the neck piece set up and dry real well. We marked our center where we want to go, so we got to take all this off in here. So I'm going to use my 4-inch belt sander to take this down, and then we'll go to our Dremel to further shape it later on. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comments section and I'll get back with you.
Right now, there are young people across the world facing a tough choice. Continue their dream of education or drop out to help their family put food.
So you can see how this takes us down, so we're going to keep working on to get the whole thing rounded down, then we'll move on to our next step. Thanks for watching.